Whenever you go grocery shopping at your local market, chances are you'll be able to work out and find what you're looking for without much trouble. That's because stores group their aisles into logical sections. Well, when we trade options, the tool that helps us sort the clutter into neat columns of information is called the option chain. It's a matrix that gives you an at-a-glance overview of the various options being offered, proposed, and traded on an underlying asset. Once you've selected the underlying asset you'd like to trade in, there are two key points which can help orientate yourself. The first is date of expiry. Clicking through different dates will update the options on offer, so you don't accidentally trade on one date while thinking it's expiring earlier or later. The second is strike price, running along the center with call options on the left and puts on the right. And at the money line divides the strike prices into strikes above and below the current market value. Bids shown are what traders are trying to buy their options for, and asks are what they're selling at. You'll need to click into an order to see the full order book for that particular option. After considering the information shown, you can enter the price and quantity of the options you want to buy or sell right away. Back in the option chain itself, you can also toggle through various other values and information such as APR and different Greeks. On the SignalPlus platform, there's a bunch of handy widgets that can help you visualize your risk and potential earnings beyond the view of the option chain. This includes the Smart Dealings window, which helps you trade multi-leg strategies more efficiently. Like with most new things, repetition and practice is the key to learning. Once you've used an option chain a few times, you'll be able to quickly spot opportunities, and then the real excitement begins.